Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix a slow laptop on Windows 11. When a laptop runs slow on Windows 11, it is usually fighting three hidden enemies: aggressive power saving throttle, background hardware monitoring bloatware, and Windows 11's heavy security virtualization layers. So let's see how to fix this one. First method is force best performance power mode. To do that, just go to start menu, go to setting, then navigate to system section, go to the power and sleep section. In Windows 11 it is power and battery. Then after, you need to locate the power mode drop down in here, but in this is the tutorial I am showing on the Windows 10. So in here you need to go to the additional power setting also. Then you can see power plan in here. Currently I am on the balanced power plan. If you see none of the power plans in here, just tap on create power plan. Then you have three options: power saver, balanced, or high performance. In this case you need to high performance one. Rename your plan, tap on next. Then it will be create this kind of power plan in here. Select the power plan that you just created, and it will be your high performance power plan. Now your computer runs on high performance. And the second method is you need to turn off memory integrity to core isolation. To do that, go to search bar, type core isolation. You can see it's here, just tap on it. Then after, you need to locate the switch for memory integrity like this. Toggle the switch off. If it is turned on, you need to turn it off like this. Then after, you need to restart your laptop for changes to take effect. And the third method is you need to kill background bloatware and startup apps. To do that, simply right click on the taskbar, go to task manager. Then after, you need to go to the startup tab section. Look for the third-party programs you don't need to run on 24/7 like this. Then after, you can see the startup impact. It is high. Simply tap on disable. Then after, you need to again go to the start menu, go to setting, then go to the apps section, and these are the applications currently installed on your computer. If you see any application that is third-party antivirus software or manufacturer kind of things don't actually used, simply tap on that. Then after, tap on uninstall option. So the fourth method is diagnose throttling via a hidden battery report. If your laptop battery is old or deeply degraded, the laptop's motherboard will intentionally and permanently downclock your CPU to prevent the system from drawing in too much voltage on shutting down instantly. To do that, you need to go to search bar, type cmd, make sure run it as administrator. Then you need to type this command, power cfg space / battery report, and hit enter. Okay, in my case I can't perform that application. Maybe I am using Windows 10, that's why it's not working. So in your Windows 11, it will generate HTML file with the battery report. So it will be at C Windows System 32 battery report.html. You need to copy that file path. Okay, once you copy the file path, paste it in your web browser and open it. Scroll down to the battery capacity history section. Compare the full charge capacity against the design capacity. If your full charge capacity is less than 50 to 60 of the original design capacity, that's why your degraded battery might be triggering permanent system throttling. So you have to replace your battery to get the full performance of your computer. And the fifth method is clear out temporary files to free up SSD space. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, and then go to system section and go to storage. So in here you can see documents, apps and features, temporary files are calculating. So you just need to tap on temporary file section. Now it's loading all the temporary files on your computer. You just need to select which files you need to delete like this. Then after, tap on remove files. Then to your temporary files will gone. And the sixth method is you need to prop up the laptop to prevent thermal throttling. So first you need to fix the airflow in the bottom side of your laptop, and also use the laptop on the hard and flat surface. This method will be fix your lagging issue.